guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another Dollar Tree haul video. I made a run for some craft supplies and I got some. As we all staying at home, we're using lots of craft. My Walmart actually section is completely empty where the paint is. I guess lots of people doing the paint. I don't know what they paint, but I am into acrylics as well, so I started to paint as well. But I stopped at my Dollar Tree, picked up some things I found that I was surprised, and I will save it for the next year. But they have lots of good things, and if you go, please be safe, wear your mask and the gloves, and just, you know, we're still not out of the woods, so let's just follow the rules and not be bad out there. So anyway, if you would like to see what I got in my Dollar Tree haul, please continue watching. Okay, so when I was checking out, the lady, instead of putting it in a bag, I don't know, she pulled up the box and stuffed everything I bought in this box. So I will be pulling stuff out and show you what I got. So a couple of things. They have already everything for 4th of July and Memorial Day. So I picked up a couple of items that I would like to make some DIY for those holidays. So this foam scatters. So I got 2 of this. Then they had some really cute decorative balls, and I want to make something out of the seashell, and my Dollar Tree was out, so they restocked, so I picked up a couple, so I'll only show you one. Those are like a sets of seashells, and I thought they were really cute, and you can make all kinds of things with it. So the next thing, I have seen lots of people using these things and I could not find it. And then when I watched one of the videos, they said usually they sell them during the springtime or close to summer, and it is in Dollar Tree. So I picked up 2 of those. So I did walk in and saw them, and I'm like, okay, I finally found what they were talking about. So those are the windmills, and they usually using them for crafts, so I kind of wanted them. I have a couple of ideas what I want to make, so I got 2 of those. Those are they're really cute, or you can just hang them for now. So the thing that I picked up for next year for Easter, they have the wreaths in the shape of, I guess the wreath form in a shape of cross. I really liked it. I have not seen my Dollar Tree had it, so I don't know, Easter's over, but they had those. So I picked up 2 of those, and this obviously will be for next year. Then I got a couple of the planter containers because I like to make flowers, and sometimes I make the holders, but I like to use from the Dollar Tree because they are cute and you don't need much. You get 3 for $1, so this is great. Then I got it is a bamboo wind chime, and I don't really care for the wind chime. I wanted the bamboo sticks for one of my projects, so I picked that up. Then I got a couple of it's like a grass, I guess, greenery. I didn't see them before, and I guess they restocked, so I got 3 of those. So that's that. And then again for Memorial Day, I guess, or Independence Day theme, they had buckets, and they had some little candlelight, tea light candles. So I picked that up. So because I used the buckets for Valentine's Day, they had a Valentine's one, and I really like it. So those are amazing for crafts, and of course they are pretty by itself anyway. So that's that. So, and lately I am been into succulents. I don't know why. I like one of my friend, Nadia, her channel is DIY with Nadia. She made a succulent wreath and I loved it. So I was at the Dollar Tree and I saw some of them and I'm like, okay, I gotta grab a couple just in case, because there's a frame that she made it as well that I really like. So I might try to recreate one of her DIYs and see if I make it. But anyway, so it's not a lot, but I got some more stuff that I have not seen before at my Dollar Tree and I had to pick it up. They had glue sticks and they are glittered. I have no idea what I will be using it for, but I picked up 2 of those. Because, you know, sometimes you see things and you have no clue what you're gonna be making with them, but you just get it for later. Then I got some beads. Ah, that's a cute little, I wanted them different colors, but they were out, so those are the colors that was left. So I picked that up. And then I got a couple of things that I have no idea what I will be using them for or what to do with them. It says decorations. They made, it's little balls and they made out of, looks like a wood sticks or something. It's hard and all it says it's decorations. Anyway, I got 2 of those. And I got some popsicle sticks. I wanted the white ones, but they didn't have one, so I got the colored one because I thought, you know what, if I need a white one or a different color, I can just paint over them and make my own color. Okay, also I picked up a couple of reindeer moss. I have talked to my friend Nadia and she said anytime I see this, they are almost always out of stock. So I picked up like 4 bags, so I'm showing you 2. And then I found this fox moss stones, and when I saw them, I have an idea what I want to use it for. So those are cute little stones. So anyway, then I always, when I use one, I pick up one, but now since we are kind of at home and not recommended to go out, so I picked up several of those foam cubes and a couple of different shapes. And then I saw this too, and it says it is wind chime. I don't want to use it as a wind chime. I like the flowers. So they had different colors. I picked up this too. I want to use it for a different project and I think it's gonna work real well. So then we're almost done. Picked up a couple of those little clothespins. So they are like super tiny and I couldn't pass on those. So picked those up, and then I got to I needed some floral wire. So I found one. Apparently it's very in high demand. So I picked up that. Then I got some twine jute, and I saw those wire set at the automotive section at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up them too just in case this will not work. So that, then I got a couple of stickers. Oh, here they are. I got one more of this color of wind chime, and then I saw this butterfly, so I picked up 2. So apparently they are in a full speed for spring because they got a ton of wind chimes. So that's that. And then I saw this cocoa liner. I have no idea what I'm gonna be using it for, but it looks super cool, so I thought I can make something. Why not? It's $1, I picked it up. And I found what I was looking. I want to make a project and I needed a mirror for it. And you know, Dollar Tree used to have them, but they were either out of stock or what. But I found what I was looking. 2 cute little mirrors for my project that I can finally get it done. All right, so there are one more item. I think I picked it up for the Independence Day or Memorial Day theme. I really like this bow, and I think I'm gonna make a wreath, so this would be a perfect in addition to it. Ignore the noise in the background, please. We are getting on the final stages of our garage and the room above build, so they are finishing up, and they nothing I can do. I'm gonna try and start the music to make it a little less irritant, and that is pretty much it. The only two items that I have here are the vases, and this is the main thing I went to the Dollar Tree for because my cat is obsessed with the Q-tips, and I made some flowers. If you have not seen it and you are interested in it, I will link it in the cards above, where I used the foam bowl and it looks like a dandelion, and it is a Q-tip. So he waited until I went outside, climbed on the fireplace, and tried to eat the Q-tips, but he knocked off the vase and the vase broke. So I know I got the vase at the Dollar Tree. It was a green vase. They didn't have one, so the only two colors they had were this pink and purple. So those are the two things I picked it up, and that's pretty much all. That's all I got at the Dollar Tree. Not much, but some stuff that I have never seen before. I grab it and then figure out later what I will be using it for. But that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul video, and if you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.